When you installed and configured SI5, a default user was created for you regardless of whether you use the express configuration, which is recommended, or the custom configuration. In my case, I use the express configuration, and I'm going to go ahead and double click the SI5.5 server administration icon that is on my desktop, and this is going to open up the login screen for the administration console. You can see by default it's filled in with the default admin username and password, and you have the option here to remember username and password. Now logging into this console is going to allow us to either modify our current login that was automatically created for us in this case, or create new users, and as well as send those new users an email automatically through the system that will have a download link for the SI5 client so they can install that on their local machine. And it will also provide them their username and password that you create for them. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. When the administration console opens, what we're going to do is just go over here to the users link up here. You can also click the manage users button right here, and when this opens you can see that I have one user right now, the default user of admin. When you create a new user here, you go ahead and fill in this information, and I'll just go ahead and do this for myself, and then I'll show you the output for this. We'll go ahead and say that I'll create a fictional name or username for login here. I'm just going to say it is a pro, and the password is going to be password. Now, obviously, that is not very secure, but for this demonstration, this will work. And I'm going to leave my group as administrators. Of course, you can change your groups out here as needed, but the role here actually doesn't really mean anything. It's just for your information. There's only 4. You can't even edit this list, so I should recommend you leave that alone. Go ahead and click Save. And what you're going to see here is a preview of the email that is going to be sent to the user. That's just going to say, there's the username, and it's basically going to show that the username, password, the server name, and the port. So these are very important information for when they install the SI5 client on their machine. They're going to need that information to log in the first time. So I'm going to go ahead and click Send on that, and you see that an email has been sent, and I'll go ahead and show you the output for that email. And here's the email that was sent. Again, there's the information so they will know how to log in. Here is where you can download the SI5 client. There's also instructions links here, as well as information on how to get support if there are any issues.